Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear wiper on a Toyota Highlander. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it clicks and stays in the upright position, giving you clear access to the old blade. Next, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry open this tab. Once it's released, you can easily slide the entire old wiper blade straight off the arm, moving it away from the vehicle. It should come off with minimal effort. Now it's time to install your brand new wiper blade. Take the new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Double-check that the locking tab has engaged properly to prevent the blade from detaching during use. For the final steps, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper to test its function. Observe how smoothly it operates and how effectively it clears water from the window. You should see a clean, streak-free sweep, ensuring clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.